So, see you in the hidden gym. So, my guard is waiting. Open the gate.
Svenska, danska, norska och finska. Inte på engelska.
Yeah. You hear the birds besides Kaduray.
Jag kan inte filma dig.
So, my husband is the cameraman because I can't. Kanya to, jag kan ta ditt vatten. 05 kanske, ja 05. Yeah, look at the strange stone. Look at, it's like hidden jewelry. Look at that. Well, it's like jewelry. The green one. It's really cool. Oh, every one block. Oh, I am. It says nothing, but it's strange, isn't it, Habi? Very strange. Ba? Mirror. Kan säga att det är från mirrorn har ätit upp. Så, vi tog den sen där borta. Redan. Yan, may mga piknikan din dito. That is, we call that mini stand. Yeah, what?
Remember the people who work here.
Yeah, the one who, the workers' memory. From 16 August 1869. Strike. 400 worker who who's been in this strike and participate. That's the memory. And they put that stone and picnic area. So we are near. Oh, look at that. The hole over. You can see much, but it's hole. It's part of that mine that we are going to. So let's go. Pandango. Pare amado. Tere kira kirit. Kurut. Karat. Oh, shh. Everybody is quiet. Yeah. It's vacation. Me and myself. And I think nice weather, nice view. Look, I wish I can be here every day of my life. So, ayan, narito po tayo. Yun, pasok tayo dun. Wala pang tao. Pasok tayo. Here we go. This is the mine, the hidden gem. So, this is, we call that Telastol. Ooh, I can feel the my husband first.
Nej, he could have.
And my husband first, and then you will wait doon.
Monster.
So, do you have flashlight? Yeah, you have to wait. Wait. Mr. Holmquist. Serious? Serious? Natatakoy na. Ayoko sa ganitong mga tabi po. Sluta! Tabi po, hindi po ako nakakita. Sluta! My husband is sometimes I get nervous when I can't see the way. So we are alone here right now. It's good. It's still early in the morning, because if you come here late, you can't even go inside because it's queue. Tabi po. So this is the hidden gem. So we have to be careful. That one. Look at us. I will look that. And this is the hidden gem. Look, it's called Tila Stole. It's a mind. Look, that is really cool, isn't it? I will zoom. Oh, that one is really nice. In that you can see hole. Oh my God, really nice, isn't it? Look at until the wow. Oh. Punta po tayo dito. Pwede naman dito sa gitna, huwag daw lang dun sa sa tubig. Kaya to. My God. Galing. I am the queen. Really cool here. Kaduray. So, labas na po tayo, Kaduray. Let's go out. Now we go out to this beautiful locality. You can't see because it's dark inside. But this one, tunnel, the light of the tunnel. Really cool. This one. Oh, it's too dark. We don't have flashlight or torch. Oh, here we go. Scenery. Your music. I am your music. So this is the sign of Tila Stole. We call that Tila Stole. So that's it. Yeah. So look at. This one, what is that? It says nothing. That's only. I think it's been a house, for many years. Yeah, it doesn't show what it was. So, but this looks like a wall from something. So, there's a wall also over there. Over there, my lord.
Over there.
Over there. Oh, another picnic area. So, we will see what is this. Scenery. This is my kingdom. Oh, that is the same stone as the other one. This stone, look. That. Oh, it's so strange. Whole house is made of this. It's really cool. For me, it's cool. Look at this stone. It's like a jewelry. Jewelry hidden. Oh, wow. Oh, you can see my camera action. And whole wall. Oh, I never seen like this before. In the middle of the forest. Ano, it konstigt. Nej men jag undrar vad det är på sten. We Google it. Because it doesn't say anything, it's so strange. Oh look. This house been built like this. With this stone. And I think it's strange that they didn't have some clue or ano history about that. So we go na. Tapos na tayo. Oh, that's my husband just Google it. What is that stone name? It's fluorite. Fluorite in English. So it's been there many years ago. Oh, look at the sign that we are going. Cute. It's really cool. Then Tilastol, that we've been. And then we're going to Kapel Church, I think. There we park. Ang ganda naman pala, fluorite. Oh, di mo, whole way. It looks like it's been a big house made of fluorite. And it says something here, but only the house.
The picture of the house.
The picture of the house only. That it looks like. That ruin that we've been. Oh, can you hear that?
Woodpecker.
The woodpecker. Where is the woodpecker? Oh, I can see the woodpecker because. Oh. Then we start. Alay. Yan, si Kadure, pag nakikita ng hayop, ay agad ako'y my heart is sinking when I see the wild animals. And I have to say hello. Every time I see wild animals, it feels like I'm alive. I look at the view. I love this day. I love the vacation. I wish I can be in the vacation every single day of my life. Pwedeng mag-set up ng tilt. Pero ewan ko kung pwede. Hindi yata. Ay. Hindi naman pwede yan mag-tilt doon. Pero baka pwede pero walang sign. Walang sign na pwede mag-tilt. Pero siguro pwede. Para lang kayo may tawag dun, paper na pakikita. So we're just walking and we going back to the parking place. It's up there. So we're going back to the parking place. And see the other map. What is the destination for tomorrow? We will see. So just come and enjoy with us.